Today I'm going to help you find the line of best fit. It's important to understand that when you're looking for the line of best fit, your data must show a positive or negative correlation. You cannot have a graph that resembles no line, which means no correlation. There has to be some type of relationship between the data to find the line of best fit. There are actually four simple steps to find the line of best fit. The first step is to draw a scatter plot. Now remember from a previous lesson, a scatter plot is the graph of your ordered pairs. So I'm drawing a graph here. Now when you draw your scatter plot, you're going to base your scatter plot on the data that you're given. For the purposes of illustration here, I'm just going to quickly draw some points. So step 1 is to draw a scatter plot. Step 2 is to draw a line that closely fits the data. When you draw this line, you should have the same number of points above and below the line. The same number of points. Now watch this. If I draw a line, notice there are a lot of points below my line, not as many above my line. You always want to try to have about the same number of points above and below the line. So the line that I just drew is not the line of best fit. Now, look at this other graph. Look at technology. Look how quickly I drew this one. So, if you look, there are just about as many points above and below the line. Now, I'm sure you're probably counting just to be sure. It does not have to be exact, but there should be just about the same amount of points above and below the line. So step 1 was to draw a scatter plot. Step 2 was to draw a line that closely fits the data. Step 3, after you've drawn the line, you want to choose 2 points that are on your graph. It does not matter if the 2 points were actually 2 points given to you in your data set or if they just happen to be on the graph, but they have to be on your line. So you can choose any 2 points on your line, and then you'll need to determine their points, or their coordinates, Now the purpose of determining their coordinates is so that you can actually write the equation of the line. So those were your 4 steps. Step 1 was to draw a scatter plot. Step 2 was to draw a line that closely fits the data. Step 3 was to choose 2 points and determine their coordinates. And step 4 was to write the equation of the line. Now these 4 steps can also be found in your textbook, lesson number 12.